disgusting.
And then the foamy one. The peace sign.
Today we got some Japanese snacks that we bought from the supermarket and we're gonna taste them. This is what we got.
Got all different kind of snacks, cookies.
This, which I'm very excited about.
This one, I don't know exactly what it is.
Got some mushrooms, chopped up mushrooms.
Which one do we want to start?
Maybe with this one?
Cookies, and then the top is chocolate.
They look cute. Look how cute this mushroom is.
Oh yeah.
Really?
Really good.
I would rate this 8 out of 10. You?
That's a great snack. You pick one.
I'm gonna go for this one. I have no idea what this is.
It looks like something with milk, maybe.
See.
Let's try.
Alright. We also don't know the names. So just remember the packaging because we cannot pronounce Japanese alphabet. It looks a bit like crackers.
Oh, smell it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Do you like the smell?
I like it. It's a bit chemical, but
It's really
I like the
intense.
smell. It's sour. Really sour. Oh,
But no taste, only sugar.
but it's really sour and the sour keeps intensifying.
I think it's like lemon. It
Would you
doesn't
rate it?
really have a taste. It's like lemon and then sour and just all the sugar on top.
Yeah.
6.
Yeah, 6.5. No, I don't know. I give it 7.
Yeah?
Yeah, I will give it a 7.
Let's try this one. It looks like you have to make like balls. So there's like a box inside with
We need the instructions.
multiple
We don't know
packaging.
what to do. Alright,
And then 2 spoons and like this.
there is an instruction, but I don't think we're gonna make sense out of that instruction though. I think we can make multiple balls.
But I think we need water. So
Got the
first,
water.
I think this one. We put it in here. It says 1 spoon of water.
Ah, it becomes jelly. It's already jelly. Look.
Again, a spoon.
Ooh, it smells very
yeah.
good. Smell it, smell it.
It smells really weird. You take a spoon of this.
I feel like a scientist. I think this is coloring.
And this will make a ball. Wait, some more maybe. You drop it into here, just like this.
I think we messed up. Things like gummy. We messed up.
We'll still try. Oh, yeah, now I understand. This is good, but we have to cut this.
2 boxes.
Those
Yeah.
in the small ones as well. Add water as well.
Mix, mix, mix. This one is mixed. I'm not sure what I'm doing. In the meantime, I'm gonna eat another mushroom. No, I have to hold a spoon of the main liquid. What kind of difficult process is this? Oh, can you see? Wow.
And then pour it into the other one. No,
Oh, what?
you have to pour it like that.
Gotta do it.
Keep on messing it up.
This is way too much work for a snack. But it works. We just put the ball inside. I'm just gonna try it as it is. Alright, it looks like this.
Gross.
Ah. I don't like this. Ah.
Oh, sorry,
No.
this is a mess up.
Yeah, we
Stop.
completely messed it up. Yeah, I do want to taste the. Okay, so if you know Japanese, that will be very beneficial because we don't know Japanese, so we messed it up. I will give it a 4 out of 10.
I give it a 0 because I didn't taste.
We do really love this one. No, very good, very good. Next step.
I want to try this. It looks like marshmallow, chocolate, I think. I don't know for sure. Let's try.
I have a feeling that this is going to be very, very tasty. Look at the
It looks
packaging.
really funny.
Look, there is a little ghost on the packaging.
Yeah, but I think it's not a ghost of marshmallow, but I don't know why. Oh, it's not chocolate, it's more caramel, I think. There is something
This
inside.
is disgusting. Mm-mm.
It's a really weird taste. I
Ah,
don't know.
I think there's like fermented beans inside.
I don't like it.
This gets a
I
one.
give it a 2.
One out of 10.
2 for the packaging.
Yeah, the packaging is nice though.
Because
I like
we bought
the.
it because of the packaging.
Time for some Kit Kat.
Kit Kat.
Salted lemon. I like the packaging. You get
3.
3.
Are they different?
Oh, and there's one which is different, but I think it's just a different packaging. White
Always
chocolate. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna be barbaric. I'm just gonna do it like this. Sue me.
It smells so good.
It's good. Compared to the mushroom, it's not better.
I like it. It also smells really nice. It's really fresh. Normally white chocolate is really like sweet and overwhelming, but this is like fresh taste.
Also, keep in mind this is morning, right, guys? It is 11 o'clock, so this is our breakfast. What we do for you guys, just
Now let's try another box. This one I think is really easy. I saw it a couple of times online.
Is another do-it-yourself box? Come on.
Yeah. Here is the description. So you get 3 package, those 2 bowls, and a little cup was attached here, a fork and the straw. First, 1 cup of water in the round one.
Ooh. Ooh.
You have to put water until this line.
Got it. Okay, step 2, blue packet.
Mix it. I'm going to put this one in the other side. Cup of water in there.
I'm gonna mix it real quick. Whoa, it's getting foamy.
Yeah.
Look at this foam.
So you have like a liquidy and then the foamy one.
Ooh. This one is fun to do.
Now we have this one left. The straw, you put it like this. I'm gonna pour this on. You stay still, and when I'm done with pouring it on, you slowly move upwards, yeah?
But are you sure it's this way?
Yeah.
We're scientists. Candy scientists.
Okay, now slowly.
Whoa! Oh my god! Wow! I really feel like a scientist now. Look at this! Look at this! Now it has to dry or something?
Put a bit of foam.
And now I eat it.
Now it's like a, I don't know, like a candy with foam.
I don't know, the texture is a bit strange. But the taste is good. It's really fun. Now it's your turn.
Maybe we can show them from more close.
Do you see this magic? Look at this magic.
And you can just slice it off. I'm gonna put some foam on it.
That's a lot of foam. Foam.
I love it.
I'm gonna make the longest one yet. Whoa. 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 Oh, yeah.
So,
That's too much. A 10 for the experience and a 7 for the taste equals 8.5. Agree?
yeah, agree.
Cool. I'm getting a bit full, but we still have plenty to
Let's try
go.
some chips. First smell it. It actually smells good.
Smells good. Small one. 3, 2, 1.
I really like it.
That's okay. I give this a 6.
I give it 8 or 9.
Yeah? The taste that you have in your mouth after it.
I love it. 9.
Which one do you want? We're gonna try the koala.
I saw online.
You saw
Someone
it?
try it.
Okay. It says koala March. I don't know why. Strawberry taste. Very cute.
That's really cute, right?
Ooh, it smells very strawberry-ish.
Oh, really, really strong.
Koala.
Wait,
Oh, you have different drawings. This one is a baby koala. No, that's not true. It's a koala on a giraffe.
And then this is like a peace sign.
A ninja koala. Businessman koala.
Okay, let's try.
I'm gonna try the ninja koala.
There's also something inside.
I did not expect it. Kind of liquid inside, but it tastes good.
It's not too sweet.
Very nice texture.
We finished our sushi after
We are
probably
back.
like 20 minutes.
It looks so real. They look like real eggs. We even made soy sauce.
Let's taste.
You start first.
I'll try the eggy.
The tamago.
It's not good, but it's not like really gross. It's just really, really sweet.
I don't like
can't
it.
wait.
Mushy candy.
Okay, let's try the egg. It looks really cute, but also gross.
That was it.
This was even worse.
Oh, this one I like.
Okay, now the tuna. The worst.
Okay, I'm not gonna even try it ever.
Yeah, you have to try it. No.
Well, I need a mushroom.
Oh, yeah.
It's fun. You should buy it just to make it, but expect something of the taste.
Very fun to do with your kids or with adults. We had a blast doing this. Rating 1 out of 10 for the taste. Fun 10 out of 10.
Yeah, but I think I would prefer the other one.
Oh, the long one. Recap. Most favorite was the mushrooms.
And chips.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment if you want to see more. And check out our next videos.
We'll do a couple of more tasting tests in probably Thailand, Indonesia, so stay tuned for those.
Ciao.
Bye!